How to tell Python HTMLParser to stop. I have a use case telling that when a tag is link and its attributes are rel equals DNS prefetch, then just say that pre-resolving DNS is enabled. I have made a flag as pre_resolve_ DNS_ enabled and set it to true as follows. Any help?
HTMLParser is not designed to be stopped. For that you want to use a streaming parser like xml.sax or xml.etree.elementary. Is it really a problem to digest the entire HTML file? The expected use case goes like: if it really is a problem, you can break up the input HTML into chunks and feed them until you find your tag. For example,